What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I've already applied my foundation and concealer. I'm just gonna add a little color back to my face with some bronzer. Today I'll be using the Lorac Pro palette and going in with this color taupe and running it through the crease with a big old brush. Next, I'll be going in with this color Sable and darkening up the outer corner. With the same taupe color, I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. Over top of that, I'm taking the color Espresso to intensify the outer corner even more. And make sure you blend everything out. With a wet brush, I'm going to take the two colors, gold and light bronze, and packing them onto the lid. With my Tarte eyeliner, I'm just going to do a winged line and tight line. Going in with some mascara from L'Oreal Miss Manga. And popping on some lashes. Next, I'll be lining my lips with this nude lip liner and going in with a liquid lipstick. It was a little bit too pink for my liking, so I just added a little bit of nude in the middle. Just gonna set everything with some setting spray, and that's it guys. This is the final look. I hope you liked this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching.